17 keto recipes that'll make you forget you're on a diet. Keto is delicious when done right. One of the huge benefits of the ketogenic diet is that there are literally hundreds of recipes that you can follow to create some awesome meals. While keto does restrict the carbs you can eat, it just means that you have more room to be creative with what you can eat, and there are some absolutely amazing meals that you can make while on keto. In this post, I've put together some of my favorite keto meals that I like to share with Keto Bootstrap members. 17 keto recipes that you'll love. One of the toughest things about starting a new way of eating is that you can quickly miss the things you're used to eating. On a lot of diets, you're highly restricted to what you can eat, so you end up eating the same thing over and over again. What we tell our Keto Bootstrap members is that if you want to be successful with the ketogenic diet, then you need to learn how to cook a number of different meals so you can mix things up. That doesn't mean you need to cook every single day. We like to cook our meals on Sunday and then we can mix and match throughout the week. Here are some of the best keto recipes that we've come across and have no problem cooking anytime we want. Quick side note, it's important to remember these recipes may not fulfill your daily macros. So, it could be helpful to have some keto fat bombs prepped and ready at all times. Chicken bacon ranch casserole. Chicken is a big staple in the keto diet. Bacon is a big staple in the keto diet as well. Combine the two and you have a meal that's going to be absolutely amazing. Chicken and bacon work so well together that there's absolutely no way that your taste buds can be disappointed. Mediterranean zucchini noodle pasta. If you're a fan of Mediterranean food, then this is something that you have to try. The combination of the ingredients blends so well together. The fact that this can pass as an effective pasta meal should make it even more appealing to everyone that's on keto and had a love of pasta before. Per serving, calories, 231 fats, 20 grams protein, 6.5 grams chicken. Avocado casserole. Because the ketogenic diet relies heavily on you consuming healthy fats, some people struggle with this. When you are able to get in an avocado daily, you find that reaching your daily fats macro goal isn't as difficult. So anytime you can incorporate avocado into a full meal, then you are good to go. This matches up the 50 pounds of chicken you bought in bulk and stored in your freezer and avocado, so you can get the right macros into your body. Barbecue pot roast. KETP recipes that make you forget you're dieting. I'm from the south, so barbecue is a way of life. When you get on keto, you might think that barbecue is no longer an option because a lot of barbecue sauces have sugar in them, but that isn't the case. You always have options on keto that are just as delicious. This barbecue pot roast is legit, and if my wife made it every Sunday for the rest of our lives, I'd be okay with it. Juicy Lucy sliders. Keto recipes that make you forget you're dieting. A Juicy Lucy is a hamburger patty filled with cheese. Of course, hamburger meat and cheese are perfectly fine on keto, so there isn't too much crazy stuff you have to do here unless you want to make some keto-friendly buns. One of the great things about hamburgers is that you can almost add any toppings that you want to get the exact burger that you need. Stuffed peppers. My wife loves making these, and for good reason. They can last you a good while depending on how many you make. Cut open the pepper, stuff them, throw them in the oven, and enjoy. Bacon cheeseburger casserole. This recipe is everything that you love about a bacon cheeseburger in the form of a casserole. You won't be missing out on any flavor when you choose to make this recipe. Creamy mushroom sauce over spaghetti squash. This is a recipe that you need to be careful of because it is a little higher in carbs than most other keto recipes. However, if you watch your macros throughout the day, you'll have no problem squeezing this into your day at whatever time you like. Keto Swedish meatballs. Meatballs are one of those meals that can be incorporated into a ton of different types of other meals. They can be eaten as a side dish, appetizer, or main course. Meatballs are so versatile. It can be nice to have something that you're able to enjoy in so many different ways. Chicken sausage jambalaya. Image courtesy of Tasteaholics. If you've never had jambalaya before, then this is a bandwagon that you need to hop on immediately. It's guaranteed that you're going to thoroughly enjoy this meal with every single bite. Jambalaya is also fun to make, so it's something that everyone can enjoy. I know I say I have a lot of favorite foods on this list, but of all of the breakfast stuff that I can have, biscuits and gravy are always going to be at the top. Like I said before, I'm from the South, so biscuits and gravy are just one of those things that you have to try at least once. Seeing biscuits and gravy on a keto recipe list is always surprising to people because they assume you can't have bread on keto, and that's mostly correct. You can't have traditional bread on keto, but that doesn't mean you can't make bread-like things. That's the beauty of keto. Meat Lovers Pizza, a keto pizza that you can enjoy without any regrets. Meat lovers rejoice, since this is something that is right down your alley. Keto white pizza with mushroom and pesto, another keto pizza recipe but with a slightly different twist. It's a white pizza for those that aren't a huge fan of any kind of red sauces. Bacon Eggs Benedict, find this recipe on Keto Bootstrap, Bacon Eggs Benedict. Philly Cheesesteak Breakfast Wrap, find this recipe on Keto Bootstrap, Philly Cheesesteak Breakfast Wrap. Let your mind drift away. The great thing about these recipes is that it's going to taste like you're not even on a diet. You're going to wonder if these meals are actually allowing you to stay on track with the keto diet. I have news for you, they will. If you follow the recipes and don't stray too far from them, you are going to be able to thoroughly enjoy every meal without having to worry about gaining weight or more fat. You also need to make sure that your meals are as balanced as possible. This means that you may have to add some vegetables from time to time to make sure you're getting the vitamins you need. To do this, you're going to need low-carb vegetables so you can stay on top of your diet. Keep the vegetables low-carb so you can enjoy your meal even more without any guilt. Making sure you have a variety of things to eat on keto is an important step for success. This is why on Keto Bootstrap we are constantly adding new recipes for our members to enjoy. Looking for awesome keto-friendly dinners? Check out these 16 low-carb dinners.